Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: tape, scissors, Ankara fabric, this is lining, and this is strong interfacing. If you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Let's get straight into the video. This is the measurement for this bag we are making: 14 inches by 14 inches, 14 inches by 14 inches, 14 inches by 14 inches. I have both the front and the back. So guys, the next thing you want to do is to pick one part of the bag, and you are going to measure 2 inches up, 2 inches. And you're also going to measure 2 inches. From this point, 2 inches. I'm going to do the same measurement for this other side. So when that is done, you want to go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting out, the next thing you want to do is to go to your sewing machine. I'm going to stitch straight down. You stitch this part, and you're also going to stitch this part. So guys, after stitching, you go back. You are going to stitch this part of the bag. I'm also going to do the same. When that is done, you turn the bag inside out. So guys, after turning the bag inside out, the next thing you want to do is to fold into 2 equal parts so that we can get where to put the handle of the bag. So you want to mark that point. So from that point, you measure 3 inches. 3 inches to the right and 3 inches to the left. 3 inches. Inches. This is where we'll be fixing the handle of the bag. So for the handle of the bag, this is the Ankara fabric we are using. I already ironed interfacing on the Ankara fabric. I ironed a soft interfacing on the handle, but I ironed a strong interfacing on the bag. So let's measure it. This is 15 and a half for the handle, and the width is 4 inches. So I folded and folded it on each other. So I'll go to my machine and stitch, and I'll do the same for the other handle. After stitching, we are going to fix the handle on this space that we marked, and you're also going to fix the other handle on this side of the bag. So guys, after fixing the handle, this is how our bag is looking like. So now we'll set this bag aside and let's stitch the lining. This lining is the same length and width with the measurement of the bag. That's 14 by 14 inches. 14 by 14 inches. So the same thing you would do, you mark 2 inches. You mark 2 inches. You mark 2 inches. We're also going to mark the same 2 inches, 2 inches, and you cut it out. So guys, after cutting out, you will stitch this point straight down. This point, you stitch the bottom part, then you will stitch the angle of the bag. You're also going to stitch this other side. So guys, I have stitched the lining. So the next thing you want to do is to fold the lining into two, so that we'll get the midpoint. You make a mark there. We are going to fix Velcro as a bag lock to this lining. So just put this inside the lining, you stitch it, and you put the other one right there and you stitch it. So guys, I have stitched the Velcro and I stitch dash 1 inch from the top of the bag. So the next thing you want to do is to put your bag inside the lining. Remember, this is the outside of the lining, this is the inside of the lining. So you're going to wear this for your bag. When that is done, you're going to stitch around the bag. Then you will leave like 3 inches opening that we can turn this bag inside out. So you will not sew this part, you will stitch round and you are going to stop here. You have stitched the bag around, so let's turn it inside out from this space that I left behind. So guys, after turning your bag inside out, you want to go back and top stitch, and you will start from this opening where we turn the bag inside out. So you are going to top stitch round the bag. So guys, I have top stitched on the edge of the bag. You can see how neat and beautiful the inside of the bag is. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.